Just give me a couple of minutes of your life and you will leave thinking differently about trading. And maybe, just maybe, you will finally unlock the path to profitable trading. Let me paint a picture. Imagine 100 people in a room. I stand up and teach the best trading strategy in the earth. Backed by proof, backtested, the real deal. But here's what blows my mind. Out of 100 people, only 5 or 6 will leave that room becoming a consistently profitable traders using the best strategy in the world. And you have to ask why. If that strategy is backed by the proof and that strategy is really good, why don't everybody become profitable with that? And the answer is, it is not the strategy, it is your mindset. The way you think about everything, not about just the charts and candles. It's all in your head. Let me ask you a personal question. Be brutally honest with that. What's the very first thing that you do after waking up? If the answer is, I grab my phone and scroll the Instagram, you're not alone. But this is what that innocent scroll actually does. It scatters your brain before you even wake up. You start your day unfocused, not locked in, mentally fragmented from the jump. And you expect to trade well from that state? Let's be real here. That fractured focus carries straight into your trading session. And guess what? Messy mind makes messy trades. Let me show you something simple. It is not flashy, it is not sexy, but it can shift everything for you. It is not some magic indicator or some secret strategy. It's a practice that creates real traders. Because the truth is, most of the traders don't lose because their strategy sucks. They lose because their mind is chaotic from the past regrets, future fantasies, and present-day distractions. They're out of sync with the only time frame that actually matters, which is now. So how do we fix that? How do we clean up the internal mess? Let's actually borrow something from the top 1% of traders. The real ones, the ones who stay consistent for years. They have something in common that almost nobody talks about. The focus. Laser sharp, disciplined, trained focus. They are not watching reels all day, they are not getting into the political arguments, they are not obsessing over every single global crisis that they cannot control. They are focused, present, dialed in. And that is their edge. Because here's the truth. Trading is one of the hardest things to win in the long run. It's not what fake gurus sell you on. It's not passive income paradise. It's a mental war. And the winners, they win it up here. So how do we join them? How do we actually develop a winning mindset over here? So here's how. Just start practicing mindfulness. Yes, I'm serious. You've heard the word right. But this time, I want you to really do it. And it all starts with one critical move. Cut down your screen time. No, I'm not talking that you have to go full in monk mode overnight. That never works. You relapse and feel even worse. So here's what to do. Let's say you are using your phone 8 hours a day. Just aim that the next week you will be using your phone just 6 hours during a day. Then after that, just aim for 4 hours. You're aiming for 2 hours, 1 hour. You're not quitting cold turkey. You're starving the addiction slowly. And once you start getting back your focus, you will start feeling something weird. Your trades start to improve. Your patience gets stronger. You stop chasing every single move of the market like a dopamine zombie. Now let's talk about the tool that changed everything for me. Meditation. I know, that sounds boring, but that's powerful. Simple doesn't mean weak. Here's a simple technique that you can start using right now. Just breathe. No, really. Breathe on purpose. Sit down somewhere quiet, turn down your notifications, close your eyes, and start taking a deep breath for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you have to breathe out for the 5 seconds as well. Focus all of your attention on the air moving in and moving out. That's it. And when your mind wanders, and it will, trust me, just gently bring back your focus back to your breathing. No judgment, no frustrations. Just come back and try that for 5 minutes a day. Start small so you don't burn out, and over time, you'll develop something most traders never will: control. The kind of mental control that helps you to wait for A-plus setups, that helps you to sit through the drawdowns without the panic, that helps you to stay objective when your emotions want to take over. And yeah, that sounds basic, but the basic stuff is what separates pros from the gamblers. Because here's what nobody wants to admit. Two traders can use the same exact concepts like the OP investing methods and get totally different results. Same entries, same logic, same tools, but one wins and another loses. So what's the difference here? And you already know the answer. That's the mindset. So don't ignore this and don't skip it just because it is not technical. This is a real work that builds consistency. This is what makes traders last. So what do you do now? Start learning. Just look for on the YouTube like the meditation for traders or how to journal the gratitude. Try it for 7 days, then for 14 days, then for 30 days. Build the habit that builds your edge. Because if you keep ignoring your mindset, you will keep getting the same results. Scattered focus leads to scattered trades. Disciplined mind leads to disciplined profits. It is really that simple. And if you're really serious about making 10 or 20k per month with trading, watch out this video over here.